So yun lang yun eh. You never stop. I have this self-awareness that I'm not gonna be able to continue because magiging cautious ako. Magiging insecure ako kasi sa mga dami ng mag-comment. So what I did, create 30 videos, wala na akong choice. Na-vlog ko na yan, na-edit na yan, for release na lang. Release ko na. No matter what the results are. We're too addicted to the results that we don't even know what is it gonna become. Yun yung mahirap. Set your expectations low, you'll never be disappointed. Kaya lang tayo nag-disappoint kasi mataas masyado expectations natin. If binaba mo yung expectations mo, 100 views, masaya na ako. Nag 100 views, okay ka. You are satisfied. Pero pag sinabi mo hindi, magaling ako. Dapat 5,000 views to. It's 300 lang. Dinilit mo na after 2 hours, no? Eh, pangit eh. Baka i-bash ako eh. Pangit, 200 views lang. Diba? Ayaw mo na mag-vlog. Yung 3 in-edit mo, dinilit mo na lang din. Hindi ko na-upload to. Wala. Ang kalaban nyo lang guys, sarili nyo. As long as you don't care about the short-term results, you'll achieve the long-term.